Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Dishwashers have a circulation pump with an impeller that pushes water through the system. Over time, the impeller can clog or wear down, reducing water pressure and preventing the dishwasher from cleaning properly. In this episode, I'll show you how to access and replace the impeller. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website to see a parts breakdown. This can be helpful to show you which parts are in your dishwasher and where they are located. In some models, the impeller is attached directly to the circulation pump motor. You can see how to replace this in the video linked below. First, shut off the breaker to disconnect the power. In some cases, you can unplug the dishwasher. Now shut off the water supply valve. This should be located under the sink. It's also a good idea to wear cut-resistant gloves, as there can be some sharp edges. First, remove the lower rack. Now remove the spray arm. Use a flat blade screwdriver to release the tabs and simply lift it off. In other models, you might have to unscrew the assembly. If needed, remove the mounting stem. This might be held in by screws, or might just take a quarter turn to unlock. Some models have a glass filter which you can remove. Other models have a filter ring, which might be held in by screws. Use soapy water and a brush to remove any grease or food particles from the filter. If there's an impeller, then use a flat blade screwdriver to stabilize it while you unscrew it. Now remove the impeller. Align the impeller onto the mount. Now tighten the mounting screw. Take the filter ring and align it onto the mount. If necessary, replace the screws. Some filter rings will just slide into place. Now replace the glass filter. If needed, replace the mounting stem. Align the spray arm onto the mount and snap it into place. In other models, you'll have to tighten the mounting screws. Turn on the water supply. Next, reconnect the power. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our AMRE Supply branches. Thanks for watching.